Hello my dear students and welcome back to Balaji online classes. I am Rabia Khatun and today I'll be teaching you English literature of class 5th. We'll be studying chapter number 11 of your book and the name of the chapter is Cinderella. This is a story of a girl, a beautiful girl, and once there was a merchant whose wife died just after giving birth to a beautiful daughter. So it was difficult for the merchant to look after the daughter, look after that child all alone. So he married again. He married to a woman of the nearby village, and after few years, what happened? The merchant also died because he fell sick and he died. The merchant had two daughters from the next wife, from another wife. He had two daughters who were very cruel, like their mother. So the two stepsisters were very cruel, and they treated Cinderella. They treated the little girl, like the maid. They made her cook food, they made her wash the clothes, they made her sweep, they made her mop, they made her to do all the work of the house, and they did not do anything. They used to call her Cinderella because she was sleeping near the cinders. Cinders are the coal pieces. Okay, so she was sleeping there near the cinders. That's why they used to those two stepsisters used to call that girl Cinderella. Once what happened, one day the young ladies of the country came and invited the people of that house to a grand ball. So Cinderella's sisters started preparing for the ball dance, and they were excited to go to the palace to enjoy the grand ball. And Cinderella also wanted to accompany them. Cinderella also wanted to go them, but the stepmother shouted at Cinderella and said, "No, you cannot go. Maids are not invited there, and so you are not allowed to go. You just do the work of this house." Cinderella was very disappointed. She was very sad. She was very gloomy, and she sat at the corner of the house. She was just sitting and she was crying that, "By God, why you have taken my parents so early? How will I live in this world without my parents? I'm so sad. I'm so unhappy." And suddenly what happened? A fairy grandmother appeared. The fairy godmother appeared in front of her, and the godmother was wearing a shining dress, a glittering dress. She patted the cheeks of Cinderella and said, "Don't worry, child, I have come and I will fulfill your wishes, whatever you want." So she took Cinderella to the kitchen garden. She took Cinderella there, and she touched the pumpkin, and it turned into a beautiful cart. And the fairy godmother said that you can sit on this and go to the grand ball. But Cinderella said that, "How can I go in this shabby clothes, in these dirty clothes? How will I go there? Everybody over there will laugh at me." So she touched Cinderella, and Cinderella Cinderella was in front of her with a beautiful dress, with a beautiful shiny dress. So Cinderella went there with the cart. Cinderella opened the door. She hesitatingly went inside, and when she entered, everybody was shocked to see her because she was looking so beautiful. Even the prince of that place was also shocked, and he gazed at her beauty. The king was impressed, and he was gazing at her beauty, at her grace. And the prince also said to her that, "Oh, how beautiful you are." And Cinderella was enjoying there, and she forgot that the fairy has told her that you have to return before 12 o'clock. The fairy told her, the godmother told her that you have to return before 12 o'clock, otherwise this magic will reveal in front of everyone. This magic spell will go away, and your real thing will get exposed in front of everyone. So you should come back before 12 o'clock. But Cinderella was so busy there, she was so happy dancing, everything, and she forgot that fairy has told her this. But suddenly, as the clock turned 12, she remembered that thing and she rushed away, and in the confusion, she just left her one shoe over there. One shoe was left over there, and the prince was so charmed with her beauty that prince said that whoever has left this shoe, I will marry that girl. So he said the courtiers to go to the countryside and see that this shoes fits whom, and the girl whom this shoe will fit, I will marry that girl. So the courtiers went to all the houses, and at last they came to Cinderella's house, and both the stepsisters of Cinderella tried to fit that shoe in their legs, but it did not fit. And as soon as Cinderella put the leg in that, it fitted her so well that it was like it was made for her. So the courtiers asked Cinderella to please follow them to the palace. As soon as Cinderella reached the palace, Prince was overjoyed. The prince was overjoyed because he has said that I will marry the girl whom this shoe will fit. So he proposed Cinderella, and she shyly accepted the proposal. She shyly accepted the offer of the marriage, and the prince married Cinderella, and they lived happily ever after. I hope you have understood this story. The notes of the story will be the notes of this chapter you'll be getting on School Mitra app. You can download it from there and complete your work in your book and copy. Until my next video, bye bye and take care.